In this clip here, I just want to show you how to add vitals and assess the patient. Remember, on the left side, you can always come to vitals, and you can try adding your vitals through this long scrollable scale. Also for assessment, you can do the same thing and find the body part for the long scrollable scale. What we recommend you do is come over to the right side here on the screen and select yours, for example, assessment. This will open those easy to click and view body parts. This is where you're going to find the tag normal, such as the skin, the mental status, and the head. This is where in the lungs, you could select the area and say that they had rhonchi and wheezing. This will turn it green to show that they have the symptom. If the patient denies something or something isn't present, you would click this NP tag and select, for example, pain. And that's how you would add those. If the patient, if you didn't tag something, for example, the abdomen, you can click it and it will turn it orange. Once you click OK, it's going to add your assessment in, timestamp it to the current time. We highly recommend, instead of trying to add lung sounds, bilateral, rhonchi and wheezing, we recommend you use those power tools on the right side. Same way to do it, but there's no tag normal button, and it's easier to do on the right side.